You asked, how to divide 3840 by 3 using the long division method. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1280.